This thing is a beast. We got 2 straps on here.
Let's go.
Woo! Look at that.
No sound but the sound of speed. Machine guns ready to go. Are you ready? Hey,
Look at that.
Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat?
Fucking.
Don't wait, the bullets rip.
Meanwhile, this thing's just hanging out next to Chris.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
We're gonna cut it right about at Chris.
Another one gone. Another one bites the dust.
This thing looks so fucking good.
Gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.